Hi, I'm Paul Psoka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 15th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is the hardest set of math questions. Number 15 reads, the table gives the coordinates of 2 points in XY plane. The y-intercept of the line is k minus 5, comma b, where k and b are constants. What's the value of b? So this right here is important, and it's telling you it's the y-intercept. You got to keep in mind that where you're at the y-intercept, x equals 0. So what's your x here? It's k minus 5. So if k minus 5 equals 0, just add your 5 to both sides, and you get that k equals 5. So k comma 13, that's a coordinate. It's 5 comma 13. K plus 7 comma negative 15 is 12 comma negative 15. So these two are gone. At that point, you could do this by hand, or you could simply use Desmos. So I'm going to show you how you'd use Desmos over here. Right here, if you hit the plus in the upper left, and then you choose the table, you'll get one of these. Just fill in your values, 5, 13, 12, negative 15. And then instead of putting y equals mx plus b, in place of y, you got to put y1. In place of the equal, you got to put the tilde, which is Shift and the upper left of your keyboard. It's below the escape button above the tab, or you can use your Desmos calculator down here to get the tilde. Click there, click on ABC, and then find the tilde over here. So y equals mx plus b, y1 tilde mx1 plus b. X and y are reserved for the graph, so you got to put x1, y1 when you're talking to Desmos. And notice it gives you the answer. It's asking for b. B is 33. Alternatively, if you're doing this by hand, then how do you do it? Well, when you're in the form y equals mx plus b, you could take one of the coordinates. You could actually take both of the coordinates to find the actual slope, and then take one of the coordinates, plug it in to solve for b. So if I were finding the actual slope, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I like to keep it positive when possible. So I'm going to do 13 minus negative 15 over 5 minus 12. So we can't keep it positive. Subtract a negative, you add a positive, and then what do we get? We get 28 over negative 7, which is negative 4. So underneath the m, I'm going to put negative 4. And then in place of y, I could put 13. I'm going to use this coordinate here. Equals negative 4. In place of the x, I'm going to put 5 plus b. So 13 equals negative 20 plus b. And then I add my 20 to both sides. This cancels. Once I get 33, once again, I get 33 equals b. It's my answer. Mark it. Move on. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You'd share it with someone who has difficulty, who does not know maybe how to use Desmos, or doesn't know exactly how to do this question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Click that bell button and check out our short video between 1 and 2 minutes. When you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, you're going to go to playlists, and then from there, test 2, module 2B. It's a harder set of math questions. Shorter videos will be just below these longer videos. Have a great day.